Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel thik. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access the Google Play Store and it shows something went wrong, try again. But if I try to press try again, it shows that same message. So how to fix this issue? So first of all, open your settings menu and go to app settings. So here I try to access manage apps and then it shows me all installed applications, but you can locate that Google Play Store and click to open it and one time clear that entire app data. So by simply press clear data and select clear all data. So next you can go to restrict data usage and simply untick all the options and close all the settings window. But if you are using the Wi-Fi network, just check your Wi-Fi router as well as fiber modem indicators if it shows any warning signal or not. So if maybe your fiber modem shows any warning signal, problem with your fiber cable. So otherwise, if your Wi-Fi router shows any red color signal, problem with your service provider, which means that maybe your DNS server not responding. So just check it. So anyway, after you done these processes and one more time, you can try to access that Google Play Store. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. And also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, thik. And thanks for watching.